Hey guys! Today I am showing you how to build this simple outdoor dining table. It is built completely of structural lumber, so just 2x4s and 2x6s. I used redwood to build this, but if you used Douglas fir, you could build this for under $20. Now, I made this table square and large enough to accommodate 4 chairs because that's really the only space we have in this patio. But you could easily make this longer or wider as you need it. And I have a link to the plans in the description below. So let's get started. I started by making all the cuts according to the cut list. Then I made pocket holes using my crack jig at the 1.5-inch setting. If you want to learn more about the crack jig, be sure to catch my video on how to use a crack jig where I answer everything you need to know about it. Now to assemble the top, I started by attaching all the 2x6 boards to one of the breadboard ends. I wanted 1/2-inch spacing between the top slats, and I found that 3 paint sticks worked perfectly. I just went ahead and attached all the boards using exterior pocket hole screws. Once the slats were attached to one breadboard end, I attached the other breadboard end. I used a face clamp to make sure that everything was level. Now to build the legs. I attached the 2x4 legs to the aprons. Make sure that the pocket holes are pointing up on the apron. Then I went ahead and attached them all with glue and pocket hole screws. I built 2 of those legs. Then I attached the other set of aprons to one of the legs that I had built. Next, I positioned this over the second set of legs and attached them together. Now it's time to put the whole table together. I made sure that the overhang on all sides was 2 inches. Then I added pocket hole screws all around to attach the leg frame to the top. That's it. I gave it a couple coats of redwood protective stain, and now we have a simple and pretty spot in our patio to eat and enjoy summer evenings. Remember, you can get the printable plans through the link in the description below. Happy building! But before you go, be sure to check out this DIY hammock stand, which is super easy to build. Also, you might enjoy this video. And don't forget to hit subscribe by clicking here so you don't miss out any future videos and projects.